Hello everyone. A very great news is coming by. Rather, I should say it is the news of the year. The news is that Pfizer's and BioNTech's COVID-19 mRNA vaccine has been granted emergency use authorization by Medicine and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency or MHRA in UK. You can say it's a UK version of FDA, and they will be rolling out vaccine in the next week. And here is the article from Government of UK's website. I will give the link in the description. UK has become the first country of the world to approve any vaccine for COVID-19. Pfizer had applied for emergency use authorization in UK as well as USA after interim analysis of phase 3 trials revealed that it is 95% effective, and they also had 2 months of safety data of phase 3 trials. All these links will be available in the description. Thank you.